Window from Bitcoin Embassy. So today I'm very pleased to actually sign an MOU with Anthony from ABA. So what Bitcoin Embassy does is we actually just hold Bitcoins. Okay, it's incorporated in 2022.
The purpose is to advocate the Web3 industry in all areas of the ecosystem, right? So we look alike, we'll do the common thing together. All right, so you expect more of this to come. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're an advanced DeFi asset management platform, and I'll come to what exactly we do. But we bring AI and tokenization together to build a protocol for creating crypto structured products which helps high value users manage their entire digital assets life cycle. Okay.
Hey, good afternoon everyone. So the project that we are presenting today is called Insight Genesis. Right? So basically what we are trying to do here is an AI-powered decentralized personal insights. So basically what we are doing here is to enable everyone to actually control and monetize your own data, right?
So we only have one winner, right? The winner is Arna Protocol. Yeah. So here.